What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the Daily Driver Festiva. So I, even myself, am having a hard time differentiating the Daily Driver Festiva and the Junkyard Festiva, two completely different cars. So y'all help me out. Help me name the Daily Festiva, the 93 fuel injected, and the 89 Junkyard carbureted one. Help me name them so we can differentiate them a little better. But we're back on this fella today. I tore the marker light out of it, had a little moss, and I'm gonna try to repair it. But at this point, this car runs, drives, stops, right? So far, so good. Still does need, some stuff I need to do up here. But I've been kind of moving this fella with the seat unbolted. So I think what I want to do next, as you saw last time, we repaired the rust in the floor, all those really good speed holes. We welded in some fresh patch panels. See my dimes? Was stacking the dimes around that guy. Anyway, welded in some patch panels. So now the floor is solid. Hopefully a lot of water don't come through it. And look, don't flame me, right? I know that's not the right way to do things. It's a Festiva. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But anyway, so what we're gonna do now is clean out the floor, vacuum everything out, clean out the car, and I've got some Kilmat sound deadener. We're gonna lay the Kilmat sound deadener down and then throw the carpet back in here, maybe throw the panels back in it, and get it to where I can bolt a seat down, and then the car should be good enough to start scooting around, May have a going to town rig here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this feller in and let Cheyenne take care of all the cleaning stuff in here. We'll get everything pulled out of it and get the Kilmat laid down. And then we can throw the carpet in and go out and tear the streets up in this monster. So, first thing we gotta do, gotta put our new racing seat in. Good. Get a good cold start out of it, Don't that work anymore? Don't know what that a little whistling noise is. It's probably fine, whatever it is. But it runs good. Horn works. No. Street beast here. Oh, hold on. Throw out bearing issue. Fine. Let's get it, son. Shoot. Whoopsie. Forgot. Stuff falling around back here. Whoopsie daisy. Forget. So we got the little Festiva pulled in. Now we gotta clear it out real good and then clean it out real good and then put the sound deadener down. Let's do we'll do a little before and after. I wanna get the doors too. Don't know when yet. We gotta get her cleaned up first. I had to strap a GoPro to her head. Gotta help old Jesse over here. You got it. You're gonna do a good job. Thank you.
Okay. About to be a star of the show.
Yep.
You gonna blow up because of me?
Yep, 100%.
100. Oh, it's a light bulb. I just want to let y'all know that It smells like pee in here. Okay. It don't smell good in here. Absolutely awful, y'all. It's not even coming off.
And the song goes on out of control.
I need this to not be dirty. I don't like this. Gross.
Here they.
Look, it came together. This ain't gonna come together. This is nasty.
It's fine. It ain't gotta be perfect. It's just gotta be good enough for stuff to stick to.
So I gotta get this too.
I mean, yeah, we probably get.
Ugh. Pee pet, pee pet, pee pet. Ugh.
Doing a great job.
Thank you. I don't know if this is mud, rust, or what it is. And I really don't want to find out. My rowdy friends have settled down. Sure.
So now the interior is fairly cleaned up. Got it shining light again. So we're gonna throw some Kilmat sound deadener down. So in all of my stuff, the Dart, the Valiant, everything I put sound deadener in, I use this Kilmat, and I use the 80 mil thick. It's the thickest you can get. Now you get less of it, less square footage for the money, but it's thicker and it's better. Thicker is better. Always. I got enough of this left over from the Valiant. Then I bought another box of it for this. So ideally, we can line the entire floor and the inside of all the fenders and the doors, everything. Just completely line it with sound deadener. Ideally. Maybe.
Do I need to go this way? This way.
Oh, mock it up. Turn it that way. Turn it the other way. Yeah. And then put that one there. Okay. Turn it the other way.
I'd have to like cut it.
See if I'd lay flat. Yep, we'll do 2 and then 3.
Or actually, what if we do? What if that would that fit there?
We can cut any piece.
Hey, and then cut it right there.
That'll be fine. There's a razor blade. It's really easy to cut. Just don't cut yourself. I mean, you ain't got to get real serious with it.
I'm just trying to make sure that it, like, if I cut it, it's not.
Technically, you really don't even have to cover as much as we're covering. I think you got to cover, what is it, Jesse, like 30 or 40% of flat surfaces or something like that?
I think it's 30%.
So really everything we're doing is overkill. But that's fine. Look at that. I got these little rollers from Amazon. They're like $13. Just gotta give her a look. Gotta get her down there. Excellent. Just sound like the world's falling apart in this car.
I'm over here DJing, okay?
Wiki. So most of the car is covered in sound deadener now, the floor. But not all of it. We're gonna do a little more here. We're doing more here. There's a lot of sound likes to come through there.
About took my thumb off. You see that? Yeah.
So sound deadener here, and here, in there, more there, right? Gonna put some up here.
Got it laid out. Got your pattern figured out.
Yep. I think I'm gonna double it up. I'm thinking I'm gonna put 8 there. Right?
Going from 6 to 8's not doubling, but sure.
Double would be 4.
Close enough. So, in the process of getting the headliner down, gotta take the auto belts out. And I don't like the auto belts, really. They choke you. It don't work half the time. I had to slam the door earlier for it to work. It's 2 pieces. You got a piece down here. And then you got this other, to hell with the auto belts. We're going manual belts, going out of the 89 into this one. To hell with the auto belts. They're for sale.
I ain't gonna lie, I felt like I was auditioning for a Saw movie the first time I got in it and that belt went coming back.
It about took me out.
It'll choke you.
It's terrible.
It'll choke you.
I don't like them.
To hell with the auto belts.
PTSD from it. Scares me looking at it.
Yeah. And somebody, I don't know where they're at. Look at that. Tell me that's gonna save you in the event of a wreck.
I probably saw that thing coming at them and jerked their knife out.
He's like, cut it. Well, I really hope that a Boy Scout tied this knot, because that's the only way it's saving you.
Was it my finger?
Wouldn't it be neat to do one of those starlight headliners in the sky? They had to do what?
Yeah.
Project in here. So we got some more there. We got some up there, and it made a pretty big difference. Well, I could. Big difference. Next thing I'm doing is the doors. I don't think I have but like 7 sheets or so left, so I gotta use these sparingly. I don't really want to spend another $60 just to do the doors. Good enough, at least, you know. At the end of the day, we're still working on a little Festiva here. The hell with the auto belts. There they are. Those are out. They're not going back in. Manual belts going back in. I'm pretty happy with it. I think what we'll do next is clean this headliner up. It's pretty raunchy. Probably bolt a seat in it, so I'm not, you know, popping wheelies every time we go to take off. And then I'll get to swapping the rest of the interior stuff, maybe. Maybe throw in my tack cluster, throw the power mirrors in. We'll be well on our way. But it's like 12:30 now, you know, at night. Pretty late. So we're gonna pick up, or we're gonna drop this here and pick up tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, so we're actually picking up in the future. I recorded that video on a Wednesday, and I ended up working on the car Wednesday, Thursday, all the way up to Sunday, and I got everything recorded, and I went to go transfer it all to my phone, and I realized that I had so much video that it took all the storage out of my phone. I didn't even have enough storage to put all the videos in the editor and make the video. So I'm gonna split everything up. Part 1 is what you just saw. That's gonna be the cleaning up of the car and laying the sound deadener down. Part 2 is gonna be cleaning the interior pieces like the seats, the headliner, and restoring the plastic panels inside the car. And we'll see how long that takes. We may split the rest of it up in another 2 parts, but for now, I know at least we're gonna do 2 parts to the interior restoration, whatever you want to call it, on this car. I hope you enjoyed what you saw here. I thought there was some pretty funny moments in there with Cheyenne and the GoPro on her head, and I thought it was a pretty funny video. Let me know what you think of the video. If you enjoyed it, hey, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, comment. You know, I really appreciate all the support that we've been getting. Happy New Year's. Hope everybody had a good New Year's. Hopefully we can start 2023 off start 2024 off, pretty strong. I'll try to be a little more consistent this year. Hopefully I can do a video a week, if not more. We'll see what we can get done. But I appreciate everybody tagging along. I appreciate all the support. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.